In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate on Zoom. Annotation is a powerful feature that can help you make your presentations far more engaging and interactive, whether you're conducting a business meeting, a class, or simply collaborating with a friend or colleague. Let's dive right into how you can effectively use this tool when you are the one sharing your screen. To get started, you'll first want to launch a Zoom meeting as you normally would. Whether you're the host or you've been assigned the ability to share your screen, that's your key starting point. Once your meeting is up and running, you'll want to locate the green Share Screen button, usually found at the bottom of your Zoom window. Click on this button to reveal a list of your currently open windows or applications. Choose the screen, window, or application that you wish to share with your participants. Now click the Share button on the right side to kick off the screen sharing process. Now that you're sharing your screen, notice the control bar that appears at the top, usually in the form of a narrow green striped box. This is your control center while you're sharing content. Hover your mouse over it, and a secondary toolbar will expand to show additional options. Within this dropdown, you will see the Annotate button. Click on it to unveil a full palette of annotation tools. You'll first notice the Draw tool. This is where you can let your creative juices flow with freehand drawing, just like a pen tool or a highlighter. This feature allows you to underline text, highlight sections of your presentation, or even scribble notes in real time. Next, you have the Text tool. This is a great option for typing out key points or messages directly onto your shared screen. Simply click on the text icon, click wherever you want the text to appear, and start typing. Shapes and arrows come next, which are especially useful for pointing things out or highlighting specific areas or items on your screen. Select from different shapes like circles and rectangles to create borders or underline important information. For those occasions where you might make a mistake or simply wish to tidy things up, the Eraser tool is there to save the day. Click on Eraser and then click on any annotations that you want to remove from your screen. It's that simple. Finally, to personalize the appearance of your annotations, click on the Format button. This handy feature lets you change colors and adjust line sizes, so your annotations stand out just the way you want them to. Keep in mind, though, that a touch of consistency in your choice of colors can reinforce the message you're trying to convey. By using these diverse annotation tools, you can transform your Zoom presentations into dynamic and interactive experiences. Your audience is sure to appreciate the visual aids that help clarify your points. Keep practicing with these tools, and before you know it, annotation will be an invaluable part of your presentation toolkit.